You can see him on tour starting this spring here with the classic sailing, Christopher Cross.
Well, it's not far down to paradise, at least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles, just you wait and see. But believe me, it's not far to never, never land. No reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you will find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles, just you wait and see. Believe me. Sailing takes me away where I always heard it could be. Just a dream in the wind to carry me, and soon I will be free. Fantasy, it's the best of me when I'm sailing. All caught up in the reverie, every word is symphony. You believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it could be. Just a dream of the wind to carry me, and soon I will be free. It's not far back to sanity, at least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you will sail away and find serenity. Oh, the canvas can do miracles, just you wait and see. Can you believe me? Sailing takes me away where I always heard it could be. Just a dream in the wind to carry me, and soon I will be free.